Okay, we are on the 4th floor at the Suncoast Hotel and Casino. Hi guys, big giant mirror when you first walk in the door. And it looks like a big, nice, huge bathroom with a Jack and Jill sink. That's kind of nice and convenient. Awesome. Oh, a bathtub, yay. Good, I brought Epsom salts. Little interesting, little weird decor on the bathroom wall for no reason. And nice closet, giant closet, excellent. We've already got our stuff up there, in there. Double door. Say hi, Jamie.
Hi, Jamie.
We got queen beds, so not to disrupt each other in the middle of the night, so we can get some good sleep. And again, we've got this really kind of cool view of this room. And artwork. Awesome. Nice little desk. And the view is not great. Not great. It is of a Taj Mahal looking tower. There's some mountains and hills over there, and it's raining, like really raining, like coming down hard raining in Vegas today. So Suncoast Hotel is over on the Summerlin side, which is nice area. It's a nice area. But that's our view, and it looks like we've got rooftop. We're looking at rooftop, and
You can see all the jumpers splat up close and personal.
oh, that's horrible, Jamie.
I shouldn't have gambled.